Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing products head-to-head. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, and boy, do we have a showdown for you. On the left, we have the Kobra official Creality Ender 3, the granddaddy of budget 3D printers. And on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, the new kid on the block with some serious swagger. Let's see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about price. The Ender 3 comes in at a wallet-friendly $232 United States dollars. It's like the dollar store of 3D printers. Cheap and surprisingly effective. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo is a bit pricier at $279 United States dollars. It's like buying organic kale instead of regular lettuce. Is the extra dough worth it? Let's find out. Speed Demon Alert. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's more than 65% faster than your grandma knitting a sweater. Meanwhile, the Ender 3 is like your grandpa reading the newspaper. Steady and reliable, but not breaking any speed records. If you're impatient like me, waiting for the weekend, the Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to. Let's talk extruders. The Ender 3 has upgraded extruder technology that reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. Think of it as the anti-clogging toilet of 3D printers, smooth and efficient. But the Kobra 2 Neo isn't backing down. It has a new integrated extruder and a cooling system that melts filaments faster than ice cream in the Sahara. Plus, it sports a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like having a tiny jet engine in your printer. Impressive, right? Now, for those of you who dread assembling IKEA furniture, the Ender 3 is your friend. It comes with several pre-assembled parts and only takes about 2 hours to put together. It's like assembling a Lego set with a cheat sheet. On the flip side, the Kobra 2 Neo doesn't brag much about assembly, so we assume it's a bit more like solving a Rubik's Cube. Challenging but rewarding. The Kobra 2 Neo is packing some serious advanced features. It's got LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It intelligently compensates for Z-axis offset after leveling, making it a breeze for novices. Meanwhile, the Ender 3 has the resume printing function, which is great if you live in a place with frequent power outages. It's like the DVR of 3D printers. Never miss a beat. Customer support. The Ender 3 offers lifetime technical support, which is like having a friend who's always there to help you move. The Kobra 2 Neo, however, offers a 1-year service with specific warranties for the print head and heated bed. Plus, they give you an email to reach out directly. It's like having tech support on speed dial. Very reassuring. Based on the reviews, the Ender 3 is praised for its ease of assembly and affordability, making it a great starting point for beginners. Users love the detailed prints and quiet operation. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo impresses with its ease of assembly, fast printing speed, and high-quality prints. However, some users mentioned it can be noisy and had issues with print quality and cable management. Both printers are well received, but each has its unique strengths. So, who takes the crown today? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, the Ender 3 is your guy. But if you want speed, advanced features, and don't mind spending a bit more, the Kobra 2 Neo is a fantastic choice. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!